Imagine waking up one morning, checking your phone. That is exactly what happened to the stock market recently. It's scary. Hey everyone, Wealthery AI here. Welcome back to the channel. Today, we are talking about the craziest market swings I've seen in over 25 years. First, let's talk about the elephant in the room. If the price of lemons goes up, the cost of your lemonade goes up. If this lasts for months, it could push us into a recession. That means businesses might make less money and stocks could fall. So, what do? Do you just hide your money under a mattress? No, that's too safe. You want stocks that are safe and have room to grow. You want companies that people still need, even when things get tough. I've done the research and I found 5 stocks that are holding up strong. I'm going to break them down for you, one by one. Number 1 is Netflix. Now, I know what you're thinking. Isn't that just a streaming service? Here's the thing. People don't stop watching shows when the economy gets bad. It's like buying a video game. You might skip a new car, but you won't skip your favorite show. Recently, Netflix tried to buy a big movie studio, Warner Brothers. They lost the bid, but guess what? That's actually a win for them. They got a $2.8 billion breakup fee just for trying. Plus, they avoided paying too much for movies that AI might be able to make cheaper in the future. Their revenue is growing fast, about 16% a year. That's like having a piggy bank that fills up faster every single month. But borrowing is good when the market is crazy. This company delivers food to grocery stores. People eat no matter what, even though the food industry isn't growing super fast. This company is getting really good at saving money. They are turning their small revenue growth into huge earnings growth. Think of it like a lemonade stand that finds a way to buy lemons cheaper. They keep more profit in their pocket. That makes them a safe harbor in a storm. We all have phones. T-Mobile is the leader in 5G technology. You might think phone companies are old and slow, but T-Mobile is growing revenue by 8.5% a year. That's huge for a company this size. They are also getting better at keeping costs down. Every dollar they make, they are keeping more of it than they did 5 years ago. It's like a car that gets better gas mileage every year. This is about cybersecurity. Hackers are trying to break in. With the war in Iran, cyber attacks are going to get worse. Even if the economy crashes, companies cannot cut their security budget. It's too risky. They are growing revenue by over 20% a year. They are spending money on research to stay ahead, which means they might not be super profitable right now, but they are building a fortress for the future. And finally, number 5 is AppLovin. This company uses AI to help businesses show ads to people. You know how you see ads in games? That's them. Recently, people were scared that AI would replace software companies, but AppLovin is using AI to make their ads better. Their revenue is growing at 70% a year. That is explosive. They are also getting much more efficient at turning that money into profit. It's like finding a shortcut that saves you time and money on every trip. Now, I know this sounds like a lot of information that scans thousands of stocks to find the winners. It's not financial advice, but it's a great way to learn how to do your own research. I read every single one. Remember, the market goes up and down like a roller coaster, but if you pick the right cars, you can enjoy the ride. Stay smart, stay safe, and keep learning. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button and the bell so you don't miss the next update. I'll see you in the next one.